Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation on Titanic Survival Prediction, Machine Learning Model and Prototype, subtitled Predicting Survival Titanic Passenger Using Learning. And then, I'm James Pulikit, first of all, and I will show you how can predict the survival Titanic passengers based on their characteristics such as age, sex, class, and embarkation port. Let's dive into the problem. Okay. The problem statement. The Titanic disaster 1912 led to the tragic loss and many lives. That goals of this project to predict whether passengers survive or not based on future like age, sex, passenger class, and fare. Our goal in this project is to predict the and um, our goal is um, predict whether passengers survive or not based on several factors. And then, why is this important? Understanding these factors can help us uncover patterns in survival rates and improvement predictive models for similar real-world situations. Yun. In data details and visualize. For this project, we use the Titanic dataset from Kaggle dataset. Yes. And key features include survive, whether passenger survive or not. Press O, no or yes, nag-survive ba siya? And the second is gender, passenger, yun siya. Then gender, sa sex naman, gender of the passenger, male or female. Sa age, passenger embark to the port, embarking C for seaboard, Q for Queenstown, yun na, sa mga barge. And we also create visualization to better understand the survival rates based on gender. As you can see, females had a survival rate. Ayun, female has survival rates than males. And and for the this one, this is the code and the chart. You see the female is most higher up. And then for the features engineering, this one, um, before building the model, we had the pre-process the data. This include handling missing values and encoding categorical data, missing data. We filled missing age values with the median and missing embarked value with the most frequent port. In encoding, we convert the sex column to binary, 0 for male, 1 for female, and the embark column to numeric value for seaboards, Queenstown for Samstone. We also drop a relative column with passenger ID, name, ticket, and cabin. Then yun na. This one. Ay, dito pala. And then yun na. So where are we? I think we're in yun na nga. Dito. Dito. So na. Yan, dito. And then and we also drop irrelevant column passenger. Tapos na. And for model comparison. Okay. Model building process. For the model building process, we use 3 machine learning algorithms. Logistic regression, a simple binary classification model decision. Kasi decision tree, a tree-based model that splits data based on different features. And random forest, ensemble methods that combines multiple decision trees. And we train these models using 70% of the data for training and 30 for testing. Yes. And this is, yan, yun na. And for the model comparison, after training the model, we compare their performance. Here are results. This one, the table, and this is our code to generate in show graph from Google Colab. Our logistic regression is 78.54 accuracy. Decision tree, 80.12% accuracy. And random forest, 83.69 accuracy. As you can see, random forest perform the best with high accuracy. And then for the demonstration to make model, first I make here yun na nga, UI that used to age this one, and this is for the code. I make this in the visual code. This one, there's choices here. The option one, the zero. This is for zero male. The sinabi ko kanina yon. This is the choices for the value and for the group from group. Then I made this is CSS for design of my UI. Yun. This is my UI. It's not working, but I will process this and make it work to predict survival in Titanic. That's all. Thank you.